All right, time to take a look at the Altec Lansing Shockwave 200. This is a 180 watt portable speaker that has a runtime of 12 hours. That is an incredible amount of runtime for a 180 watt power speaker. We got instructions and we got our charger. And this charger says it's good for 100 to 240 volts. That's good for international domestic, and it outputs 1.5 amps at 19 volts. Oh, nice. So we do have a carry handle on here, so I really like that. Got thick rubber feet on the bottom. We also have the same feet on the side, which so you can make this the bottom and you can put this on a speaker stand. That's cool. So on the side, we got our sources. So we got Bluetooth here in the center. So this is a Bluetooth speaker, so you can use that to pair directly to your phone wirelessly. We got an auxiliary option, so that is going to use the 3.5 jack in the back. And we also have an FM tuner. So I haven't seen that on a stereo in a long time, but I actually really like that because this is a 12-hour powered speaker. This could actually outlast your phone. So if you keep on going and you actually wear the batteries down on your phone, you can still get music going through this thing with that FM stereo. That's actually pretty cool. Turn the lights on and off. We can adjust the bass. Because this is Bluetooth, we can actually control that Bluetooth through here. So we got forward, backward, play, pause. We got our volume adjustment, and then we got the power button in the middle. So this is that line-in auxiliary. This is a mic port. So you can actually use this if you plan on doing some kind of like street performing or something like that. You can actually use this with that. So with 180 watts of power, this is going to make sure that you're heard before you're seen. And then we got the volume adjustment for the mic. We have a charger, so we can actually charge our phone with this. So I guess I was wrong. We don't have to worry about losing the power on our phone. So we can actually charge our phone with this port. Then we got DC in for charging the speaker. We got the power light, and then we got the reset button there on the side. And here's a good indicator of what you're actually going to hear. This actually has two big ports on it. So those are reflex ports to make sure that when these woofers are pounding, you actually got some air in there to allow these things to move in and out. So that is nice. So let's go ahead and turn this guy on.
Powering on. Welcome to Altec Lansing.
Okay, so we are currently set to Bluetooth. Cool. That's pretty cool. I'm amazed that actually works. So it's showing up as the AL Shockwave 200. So you have to bear with me because I'm going to play some copyrighted music. And the only reason I'm playing this is just because I am very tuned to this song and I know exactly if it got a good stereo or not, whether or not it plays this song very well. So let's go ahead and make that happen. That part right there was perfect. So it actually played... There's one thing about this song that really makes or breaks a stereo, and that's that it's trying to play all these different sounds all at once. And this one actually made that happen. It played everything clearly. It wasn't muddy. We had the lows, the mediums, and the highs. Everything sounded clear. And that's something that this stereo can do that not a lot of stereos, unfortunately, can do. So that's awesome. Let's keep on going. Yes, sir. All right, that's cool. I like the lights on there too. It's kind of trippy. So it looks like there is a couple of different lighting profiles on here. Not sure which one I'm gonna like the most, but that one was actually pretty cool. Those little sparks. That's actually a very cool way of doing it. So let's play some copyright-free music. I just had to pause it because I noticed that some of the stuff on the left side of the screen was shaking. God, that is great. All right. So yeah, this is incredible. This is a fantastic little stereo. Or even if I just want to watch one of my videos, but I want to be able to listen to it in a nice way, this is going to be able to make that happen. All right, today I am building a computer. So this is going to be an awesome machine. So let's start with the mother. That is cool. Yeah, that is an incredible speaker. Having that much power in a portable speaker is kind of mind-blowing. So yeah, I am very happy with that. This is an impressive speaker.